What's happening, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Exciting video for you today. Gonna do tutorial on ChatGPT. We're using it loads. I use it every single day in the agency now and it's absolutely amazing. So I thought I'd give you a bit more of an in-depth tutorial, show you some of the things you can use it for, and just basically ways of saving time and also perfecting your messaging and copy and just being an absolute killer. This is going to help you scale your agency or your business tenfold, honestly, no joke. For those that don't know me, thank you for joining my channel. My name's Raf. I'm the co-founder of Studio Krista. We're a creative agency specializing in websites, branding, social media, and marketing. And yeah, I'm just going to give you a little bit more of an in-depth tutorial. I did touch on this subject last time on ChatGPT and what you can use, but today I thought I'd show you exactly how we're using it and give you some real life examples. So yeah, quick plug, please like, comment and subscribe. Massively appreciate it. It just helps my channel loads. So yeah, I'm not going to waste your time too much. Time is money and we're all busy. So we're going to jump straight into it. You should see my screen recording somewhere around now. Okay. So first things first, if you do have a VPN, make sure you turn it off, okay? ChatGPT for some reason glitches with it and doesn't actually work. I found this out after having to Google loads, but yeah, turn your VPN off and you should be fine. So first of all, openai.com, try ChatGPT, sign up. It will need your mobile number and some details, but once you've done that, you'll have access to this incredible bit of artificial intelligence. So for those of you that don't know, it's basically, imagine you're sitting opposite a person that has read every single book, watched every single YouTube video, and basically knows everything about anything. And you get to ask them questions for free. That is what ChatGPT is. And not only that, but they'll actually write their answers so you can copy and paste them straight into what you need it. So yeah, it's just absolutely incredible. I'm going to show you some examples now. So the way we personally use this most at the moment is for copy, but you can also use it as Google. So if you need, you don't know how to do something, or you just want to know what the best approach to do a different task is, this will actually tell you. It will help you anywhere from learning how to write code to writing a short story, or, you know, doing all your cold emails for you. So let's start. So this is for my agency people. So let's say you want to start your cold email and you just basically shit at copy and don't know how to write it, or it just doesn't sound as good as you'd like. So we could type in an example here. So we'd go to new chat and we'd go cold email example for social media management agency, targeting plumbers. Okay, so our niche audience is people in the trades industry, so we're targeting plumbers, electricians. Here's a example. So you type it in and press enter, bam, enhance your online presence with social media. So this is going to spit out your, basically your script or your cold email. So yeah, it starts pumping out and here we go. So, dear plumber, you tired of spending countless hours. So really well written. That's first of all what you've got to note. Second of all is obviously there's so much more you can do. So once this little bit's done, you may go, okay, this is actually quite long and doesn't fully suit the personality of my agency. So what's really cool now is this. So on the next page, you can continue chatting to it and you could go, make it shorter. So it's going to give you a more condensed option. So here we go, starts with the next one. So now you look at it and you go, really good, but not quite sure I'm resonating with it. I'm quite a funny guy. I want to add a little bit of personality to it. Then you could put, make it funnier. And it just keeps going. So it's just going to give you now a basic, more light-hearted version. So I love it already. Tired of being a social media plumbing novice? Here we go. Are you ready to take the plunge and upgrade your social media game? So again, a lot more personality to go into it. And you can keep doing this till you find the one that really resonates with you. And then of course you can still make minor tweaks to it anyway. So don't be a square, round out your social media presence with our service. So really, really clever. This is going to get so many open rates and response rates you cannot imagine. So again, this has taken me about 15 seconds, and there you go. I've got a really cool, funny script to use on my cold email outreach. You can do the same. You could say, tweak it for LinkedIn and it'll pump that out, tweak it for Instagram and so forth. So as you can see, this is going to save you so much time. Another really cool way to use it would be to actually start using it for clients' copy. So say your client is, say now we'll try a different niche. So for people watching it, say you target fitness coaches, and you're helping them with their copy on their sales page because you are designing really cool landing pages for them. So let's try that example. So we go new chat, sales page copy for 8-week fitness program targeting busy mums who want to lose weight and be healthier. So let's have a look. So you just put that in there. Welcome to 8-week fitness program designed specifically blah blah blah. You've got your sales copy done. So this is something you can actually start charging clients for, and you don't need to outsource. You can do it yourself. Again, you can tweak this. So you could say, for example, make it shorter, make it catchier, make it funnier, add more calls to action to it. So you need to speak to it basically as if you're just speaking to someone else, and it will just keep giving you examples till you find the right one. So another really cool thing you can do with it as well is blog posts. Blog posts on your own website or for clients. So that's a really good option for adding some monthly recurring revenue. So maybe doing 4 to 5 blog posts per month for each client on their specific subjects. So say we're back on the plumbers section, blog post example about the importance of using social media for plumbers. So this would be for your own website, right? So for example, plumbers doing social media might land on your website, have the opportunity to read and see why it's so important. But let's say you're going to be doing blog posts for plumbers on a monthly basis. So blog post example, what could we do? So blog post example about the importance of having a regular plumber. Blog post example about having the importance of having a regular plumber on call to assist with monthly or with quarterly plumbing checks, or you could just do on call. It's not going into too much detail just yet. The importance of having a regular plumber on call. So here you go, as a homeowner, blah blah blah. So this is stuff that you can start offering your clients to really help them build out their website and improve their SEO, and just a really fantastic way of adding monthly recurring revenue to your business. And this is literally going to take you 5 minutes. You could have a whole month's worth of blogs done in under half an hour, just like that. Add a really cool image, integrate it onto their blogging system, and done. You're good to go. Another thing you can do, for example, is use it as Google. So 1 second, let's let this finish. I mean, yeah, this is absolutely incredible piece of tech that's just going to help you. If you can't 10x your agency with this, then you know you really need to have a look at yourself, because there's so much potential. I'm just kind of scratching the surface here, but you can go as deep and down the rabbit hole with all of it as you want. You can ask anything from how to increase leads for my social media management agency. Okay, so we're struggling to get leads. Let's find a way of increasing leads. So essentially using it as Google or YouTube. So generating leads is blah blah. So here we go, optimize your website, make sure your website's user friendly. So this is obviously key. So it's just giving you some really clear and concise examples of things that you can start ticking off. And then each example there is going to be its own world. So then you could go in as, what is the best way to optimize my website to make it user friendly? And it's just going to give you more examples. Or how do I create a highly engaged and focused social media account? And it's going to give you examples. There you go, develop a content marketing strategy. What is the best way to develop a content marketing strategy? So basically think of how you ask these questions is how it's going to answer it. And I always recommend speaking or communicating, interacting with this software as if you're speaking to a person, okay? So again, spend some time on this. This is just a kind of brief tutorial to get you going, but it's just gonna fast track all your work. It's gonna save you so much time, and it's also gonna be able to offer you, you know, you don't need a blogger anymore. This is your blogger. You know, you don't need the sales scripts that are tried and tested. This will give you tried and tested sales scripts, okay? You could use the phone call sales script as well. Sales script option for cold calling hair salons and offering them social media services, okay? Script. Here's a sales script you could use when cold calling hair salons. Again, you can tweak this. You can say, make it shorter, make it funnier. And now you've got something to actually give to your VAs, your team, or use for yourself. So yeah, the possibilities are endless. Please comment below how you're using ChatGPT. If you've got any suggestions on, you know, really cool questions and ways that it can be used that maybe others haven't thought. And yeah, please like, comment and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. But once again, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, on to the next, and let's smash it.